So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I turn this mess into this. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a huge mess behind me that I've been putting off for a while now, and today is finally the day that we are going to be organizing it and getting my life together. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I have a pile of stuff that has been accumulating that I have been ignoring, and we are going to be organizing it today. So all of this stuff that you guys see here is actually detailing products. So we have bags of Meguiar stuff. Back there we have a bucket full of microfibers, a box of Adams stuff, a Meguiar's bag. We have my bag full of more detailing supplies, another box back there, another box back there, and then this whole box full of random detail supplies from different companies, and then the Adams Halloween stuff, another Adams box, and then we have this mess. So to explain, this is something that I just recently bought from Adams Polishes, and it is a detailing cart. So today, as you can see, I've already made a mess and started, but today we're gonna be putting this together and then organizing all of this and putting it on the cart, and hopefully it'll fit. So that is what I have planned today. So I'm gonna take you guys with me and show you how I organize all of my detailing products and make everything look nice and neat. So let's see how this goes. So as you guys can see, I officially just finished putting this cart together, and honestly I think this is super nice. I am really happy that I went with I think they called this the premium one, so it was a little more expensive, but I'm really happy I went with this one. It should be big enough to fit all of my stuff. So now I'm just gonna get all of this stuff out of the boxes to see what I'm working with and then go from there. So this video is sponsored by Manscaped, and today I'm going to be showing you their Handyman, which is the compact face shaver, and this is perfect for you guys that are constantly on the go. Some cool features about this product is that it is waterproof, so you can rinse it underwater and easily clean it. It is rechargeable, and it has a portable design. And if you're a girl watching, this is the perfect gift for your boyfriend, or it's a perfect addition to a boo basket for this fall season. Oh, it's so cute. This is my old license plate. So I don't know if you guys know or not, but I used to have a Camaro SS, and that was like my very first muscle car. So this is like really crazy to see. This is my license plate from that car. This is kind of what started my love for cars. So besides my dad, but that's so crazy. I have to keep that somewhere. I'm definitely gonna like hang it up, I think. There's so much stuff in this. This is actually insane. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do with all of this. And then I have this whole container that I keep in my car for when I'm on the go or I need to bring it to a car show or something. So I guess I'll reorganize that. This is insanity. Okay, so I just took everything out of the boxes and laid it all out, and I like can't even fathom how much stuff I actually have. So let me show you guys this. Don't even have anything to say. This is actually insane. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why do I need 6 of those? Oh my gosh, I just dropped things. But oh my gosh. After seeing all of that, I'm going to be doing a few giveaways. I'm gonna have to think about everything and put it all together, all the information, everything. So stay tuned for those, probably on my Instagram sometime eventually. But yeah, that's insane. So I guess now let's get to organizing it.
I just finished everything up. Let me show you the final product. So obviously from before, I was able to clean everything on top of the toolbox, and this is what I ended up with, which I am pretty happy with. So for the top, I left out the Fall Adams collection just because I want to use that right now since it's in season. And then I have my microfiber washcloths, my microfiber towels, some air fresheners, my interior brushes, some little caps for the liquids, and then in the second I have a bunch of stuff, obviously. So I have all my Meguiar's Wash and Wax, my Sonax, all of my Blackline products, and then I have the Money Car Wash, some other products from companies. So these are kind of the miscellaneous right here, and then all of the Adams car wash soaps in the back, and then more Adams stuff, my wheel cleaner in the back, and then on the bottom I have all of the I have the foam cannons, and then I have more brushes, some interior brushes, tire brushes, wheel brushes in the back, and then a crap ton of the nozzles for the bottles, since I did not put a bunch of them on yet. And then some sponges, interior sponges, stuff like that, and tire shine sponges. And that is the final product. I'm really happy with it. Obviously, this is just for now. I haven't used it yet, so it will be moved around as I use it. And then I ended up organizing all of the products that I use for my car in there. So when I'm on the go, I can just take that. And then in the Adams bucket, I have obviously my drying towel on top, and then I have a bunch of brand new microfibers. So I guess that is officially a wrap. Everything is organized and I'm very happy with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this style video of organizing and everything. I definitely love to do more, and I want you guys to comment down below what kinds of videos you want to see from me. So hopefully I can get those out there, and stay tuned for more videos.